So today we're going to plant some nasturtiums, and normally these would be these do best in a large container, but we're going to do this sort of as a fun experiment and something that you can watch grow on your balcony, or possibly if you have a kitchen window. They do really well outdoors, and you can see here they take about 32 days to bloom. Nasturtiums are very pretty, and they also have a peppery flavor. You can actually eat them and make your dishes look very pretty. You can see here on the back that it takes about 7 to 14 days to see a sprout. That's what's called germination, when the seed actually starts to grow a root and a little sprout. We're going to plant it at about a ½ inch, and if you were planting a lot of these, you would need them to be about 15 inches apart, and they grow to about 10 to 15 inches in height, so they actually can make like a great big bush, and they bloom in about a month. So it says that the planting time is between February and September for California. You can see there's the color coding, there's California right there. So we're in California, so we're at the right time of year to plant these. And they will have flowers that are yellow, orange, scarlet, with some mahogany, ruby, and cherry rose. I think this is going to be really pretty. And nasturtiums are just so much fun because they grow so fast. Alright, so I have here some potting soil that's specifically for starting seeds. You can get this at your local garden store, nursery, or hardware store. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to moisten the soil a little bit. So I'm going to put a little bit of water in here. You might want to put something underneath your pot. I'm going to just put this on here, and I'm going to wipe up this little mess that I made here. Okay, so we'll do that. I'm just gonna make like a little hole here, because that's where we're gonna put the plant. And a ½ inch is about, well, it's about up to your, fingernail. It's about a ½ inch. So this is a little bit deep. So I'm just gonna kind of make that a little less. And I'm going to put the water directly into the hole there so that it doesn't spill all over the place. And that'll help our little seedling as well. Okay, so now that's nice and moist. Okay, so I'm going to open this bag of seeds. I'm going to be careful because I want to keep the other seeds fresh. So I'm just going to cut the edge off here. And I'm going to take one of the seeds. Let's take 2 seeds out. There's 2 seeds. Okay, and I'm just going to place them in the hole. And it says that they should be 15 inches apart, but we're just going to do 2 seeds just so that they have a good chance of survival. And hopefully at least we'll get one of them will grow. And then I'm going to, once they're in there, I'm just going to kind of cover it up with my finger a little bit with the dirt. And kind of pat it down. And I'm going to pat it a little bit deep here because I want the water to not flow over again. And I'm just gonna pour the water really, really slow so that the soil can absorb the water. that's really what I want. There's Claire in the background. Just wondering what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to continue adding a little bit of water at a time so that it's nice and moist. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this outside in a sunny spot, and every day I'm going to check on it, and depending on what the weather's like, or if it's raining, you might want to water a little bit every day, or once a week maybe if it's raining. You can check on your plant and talk to it, encourage it to grow. And pretty soon you will have within about a week you should have a little sprout coming up, and within a month you should have some flowers. So enjoy! And again, these are nasturtiums.